All right, calculus. It doesn't matter if you are remote, A day or B day. These are going to be 2 or 3 very good examples talking about the difference quotient. So evaluate the difference quotient for f of x is 3x squared plus 2x minus 4. I believe this one is on your quiz review. And that's what you're evaluating. F of 3 plus h minus f of 3 divided by h. So off to the side, show me that you got f of 3. Okay. 3 times 9 plus 6 minus, what is that, 29? Take your time. Make sure you get that right. 29 is f of 3. Then we begin the process of this right here, f of 3 plus h. So it's going to be 3 times what you're plugging in for x. Don't forget about that minus 4. This all in maroon is f of 3 plus h. Then minus, I'm always going to put this in parentheses so you can see that this is f of 3 by itself, minus 29. Divide everything by h. Now it's cleanup time. Okay, this is something we're going to talk about for a while, so make sure you have that down. I need to move down a little bit. All right, you have 3. Too many students are distributing the 3 and then squaring it. No. FOIL, the inner product 3h doubled plus h squared plus 6 plus 2h minus 4 minus 29 is a minus 33. Divided by h. All right, equals again. Distributes 27 plus 18h plus 3h squared plus 2h minus 27. Guys, the constants always cancel. Always. Now you got to show me that they cancel. Some of you on your last quiz that you knew that they canceled, but you didn't show me, 27 minus 27, clearly they cancel. So we are left, because eventually you're going to know, and even when we get into evaluating limits, you're going to know what the answer is supposed to be. But you're going to have to show me that you got it mathematically. So you got 3h squared plus 20h divided by h is 3h plus 20. So believe it or not, you found the derivative of this function at x equals 3 if you let h be 0. The limit as h goes to 0. Let's see, plug in 3. Yep. Boom. So you did calculus. You basically did a calc question here. All right, this is getting you set up. And this is barely math as a calculus question. All right, let's talk about number 2 here. This is one we did, and we got in A, we did yesterday, Monday. We did not get to in B day here. So same deal, a difference quotient. It does look different, obviously, of a rational function, and this looks different. Still, I need to figure out what f of 2 is, so off to the side. F of 2 is 5 times 2 plus 4 over, I'm plugging 2 in for x. 2 plus 5, 14 over 7. F of 2 is 2. That's a 2. 14 over 7 equals 2. All right, so let's write. It's an interesting difference quotient here. It says f of x, which is 5x plus 4 over x plus 5 minus, I'm going to write the 2 like that, f of 2 divided by x. Nope, I almost put plus 2 there. You divide by x minus 2. Now, I got to work with this numerator. I got to put it together as one fraction. So it's going to be 2 over 1. So I got to multiply this top, this bottom by x minus 5. So I will have a common denominator in that true numerator divided by x minus 2 of x minus 5. I'm going to have 5x plus 4 minus 2x. A negative times a negative is a positive. Why did you guys should have This is a mistake. I was like, we're not getting the same answer. Guys, it's x plus 5 here. Should have multiplied by x plus 5. All right, f of x is 5x plus 4 over x plus 5. Should not have been x minus 5. That is my mistake. That's why we're having the issue. Okay, so minus 2x, and then you have a negative times a positive. That's a negative 10. Again, the common denominator up top is x plus 5, not x minus 5. Error's been fixed. So we would have run into a problem you would have seen. Because again, that x minus 2 is going to go bye-bye. Because eventually we'll say the limit as, you know, something goes to 2, and you'll need this to go adios. So now, up top here, that numerator is 3x minus 6 divided by x plus 5 divided by x minus 2. All right, well, notice here, I can factor out the 3, then I'm left with an x minus 2, which I'm just going to change. You might have to rewrite this. I'm trying to save space. Come on, let me pull down here. Look at that. That's fun. Because these are in the same location, consider this over 1. They're both numerator, numerator. They cancel. So I'm left with 3 over x plus 5. 3 over x plus 5 is my answer. That x minus 2 canceled nicely. And one more here for difference quotient practice. Evaluates. Difference quotient there. Ooh, something to the 3rd power. Man, all right, well, f of 2 is equal to 2 times 2 to the 3rd. It'll be 2 to the 4th there. It's 10. Make sure you get this right. F of 2 is 10. Okay, now I got to raise something to the 3rd, so I might run out of room here. So it's going to be 2 times 2 plus h to the 3rd minus 3 times 2 plus h minus f of 2, which is 10. Again, I'm putting it in parentheses, so I know I need to subtract that. This is not 8 plus h to the 3rd. If you need to, right over here, you can. 2 plus h to the 3rd is 2 plus h squared times 2 plus h. So this is 4 plus 4h plus h squared times 2 plus h. Again, got to be good at algebra 2. Then you have 8 plus 4h plus 8h plus 4h squared plus 2h squared plus h to the 3rd, which means when you combined all the like terms, you're going to have 2 times h to the 3rd plus 6h squared. If you have Pascal's triangle down, this could be a little quicker, plus 12h plus 8 minus 6 minus 3h minus 10 all over h. Wow, which almost there. This is an impressive one. You guys might have a different adjective for it. Let's keep going here. 2h to the 3rd plus 12h squared plus 24h plus 16 minus 3h minus 16 all over h. 16s are going to cancel. Bye-bye constant, which we knew was going to happen. Now I have 2h to the 3rd plus 12h squared plus 21h divided by h. Left with 2h squared plus 12h plus 21. Which, let's see, plug a 2 in there. That looks good. Yep. Yep. Awesome. 2h squared plus 12h plus 21. A lot of work to be shown on that one. All right, difference quotient questions, folks. This is Yak Math Video signing.